Did you know that tax breaks are the #1 driver for attracting high net worth individuals to certain areas? Like in Italy, for example, in 2017, they introduced a flat tax scheme. It allows wealthy residents to pay a fixed amount, about $107,500 per year, no matter their income, just for establishing residency there. This law has drawn thousands of super rich places like Milan, transforming the local economy and lifestyle. So what about the influx of people moving to Florida? Bingo, tax breaks. Florida has no state income tax. This allows high earners significant savings compared to states with high tax rates. There's also no estate tax. Florida's lack of estate tax can greatly reduce the financial burden during estate planning and the inheritance process. Capital gains benefits. With no state taxes on capital gains, Florida provides a considerable savings for individuals with substantial investment incomes. Property tax rates. Florida offers moderate property tax rates and homestead exemptions. This reduces the taxable value of primary residences. And also corporate tax advantage. The state's corporate tax rate is capped at about 5.5%. benefiting business owners and entrepreneurs looking to minimize their tax liabilities.